In this video, I'm going to show you how to add guides in Affinity. So the first thing you have to do is you want to go to View up top, and here it says Guides. Click on that, and over here you can customize this however you want. So you could go ahead and see the column guides, the margins, etc. So I'm just going to do here columns 5, rows 5 as well. And as you can see here, it's already showing on the background over here. And then you have style, which can be filled or outline. It's completely up to you. You can change the colors if you would like to as well. You can change the gutter over here. So I'm going to do like 4 millimeters. There we go. And then you can also set different margins in here. So it's completely up to you however you want to customize them. I'm just going to do it like this to showcase what these things do here. There we go. And then whenever you are happy, you can just go ahead and click on close and it's going to apply. But if you just want to reset, you can also click on remove all guides, and then it's basically going to remove them whenever you go out. If it doesn't work, just click on Ctrl and Z and this should do the trick. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.